Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a tight scope so your notes stay short and useful. Once chosen, skim 2 to 3 reliable sources and mark only dates, key names, and the top 3 events. Do not get lost in detail. Next, make 1 index card per event. Write the event title, 3 bullet facts, and a single memorable date or quote. Once done, arrange cards chronologically so you already have a raw structure to compress into concise study notes. You now compress raw cards into compact headings that explain cause, event, and result, 3 lines per topic. Use consistent abbreviations and symbols like arrows or equals to join ideas quickly. This saves space and speeds review. Once done, write a 1-line causal chain for each event and add a mnemonic or tiny timeline sketch to fix order in your memory. Make sure to keep language active and specific, so each line triggers the larger story without full paragraphs. You finish by assembling a 1-page cheat sheet, 6 to 8 flash cues, key dates, and 1 causal sentence per cue. Then practice short retrieval sessions for 5 minutes, spacing repetitions across days to move facts into long-term memory. Make sure to test by speaking answers aloud. Active recall beats rereading. If you get overwhelmed, focus on the 3 core threads that explain most events and drop peripheral trivia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.